Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 7th standard, you learn about in your previous class the multiplication of fractions, into whole number, and also multiplication of fractions into fractions. And today, let us study about only division of fractions are here. Division of fractions. The before study about the division of fractions, you can study about only reciprocals of fractions. Reciprocal of fractions are therefore example number 1. Write reciprocal of 1 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? The reciprocal of 1 by 3 means that is 3 by 1. The reciprocal means you can change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator is the example 2. The reciprocal of 2 by 3. This reciprocal is what? Again reverse order. 3 by 2 is reciprocal. Next example 3. The reciprocal of 7 by 9. This reciprocal is also 9 by 7. What about next one is also here. Therefore reciprocal of 1 by 7 is there. This reciprocal same as it is 7 by 1 is there. The next one also here. The reciprocal of 2 integer 1 by 2. How you can see simplification? This is mixed fraction is that you can convert it to improper. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Next you can change this slide. 5 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 5. Got it? This like all are reciprocal of fractions are here. Okay, dear student, these are the reciprocal. Only one mark questions are here. Next one is division of fractions are here. Division of fractions. What are the division of fractions? How you can simplification in the division? The first one is what? First headline, division of fractions with whole number. Whole numbers. The first one is what? Division fractions with whole number. For example number 1, divide. I directly divide 1 by 2 divided by 2. Divided by 2 is there. How to simplification of this one? The first one is what? 1 by 2 is fractions. The sign is division is there. 2 is whole number. The main headline is division of fractions with whole number. 1 by 2 is fractions with division is whole number 2 is there. Therefore, you can take second term reciprocal. You can change this sign, division sign. You can change sign division into that is reciprocal of 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 into I can change division sign into sign. I will reciprocal of 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 into what is the reciprocal of 2? Reciprocal of 2 means 1 by 2 is there. Therefore, you know about multiplication? Multiplication is what? Therefore, multiplication 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 2 is 4 is that this is the answer is 1 by 4. Answer is 1 by 4. Next example number 2. divide 2 by 3 divides 6 is there. Divide 6. Again therefore same this line 2 by 3 division sign 6 is there. Therefore again division sign into sign 2 by 3 into in this side the reciprocal of 6. The reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6 is there. Therefore 2 by 3 into 1 by 6 is there. First of all, before study about the multiplication thing, cancellation is there. Therefore 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Therefore next one is 1 by 3 into again 1 by 3 is the answer is multiplication of these two. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 3s are 9 is the answer is 1 by. Next second example. Example number 3. Multiplication or divide. 2 integers 7 by 10. Divide 20. Divide 20 this like is the. Otherwise 9 is the. You can take 9 now. Got it? Simplification of this one example. The simplification is very easy. These type questions are only 2 marks questions. Therefore, the first one is mixed fraction is the. You can convert a mixed fraction into improper fractions. Therefore, 10 to the 20. 20 plus 7 is 27 divided by 10. Again, division sign is the division sign. 9 is the next step is you can change sign. Division into 27 by 10 into we can write reciprocal of 9. Reciprocal of 9 means 1 by 9. Next cancellation is the 9 ones are 9 threes are. Therefore answer is 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 10 into 1 is only 10. Our answer is 3 by 10 is the 3 by 10. Next one example 4. Example number 4. Or otherwise the division of fractions with whole number as well as division of whole number into fractions same as it is. This like is the. For example, consider this one example. 6 is divided by 2 by 3 is the reverse order. Whole number divided by fractions. First number is same as it is. 6 as it is. Sign change into these two reciprocal of 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 means what? 3 by 2. Next cancellation. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Therefore 3 threes are 9 is the. 9 by 1 is the answer. These like questions are here. The next one is what? These type questions are over. The next one is division of fractions with fractions. Fractions with fractions. Fractions with fractions. You can take one example. Example number 1. Divide 2 by 7 divided by 14 by 28. Otherwise 4 by 28. 4 by 28. You can divide. Again same as it is. Division of fractions. The first fraction same as it is. 2 by 7 same as it is. Division sign into sign. You can write the reciprocal of these two. Reciprocal of these two means what? 28 by 4. These two multiplication is the. Before multiplication you can cancellation is the. Cancellation means 7 ones are 7 fours are 7 fours are 21. Next 4 ones are 4 ones are. The answer is 2 into 1 is 2 in the numerator. Denominator is only 1 into 1 is 1. The answer is only 2 is the. Example number 2. Can take 7 by 6 divide 3 by 5. The question is 7 by 6 divided by 3 by 5 is the division of these two fractions is. The first one is 7 by 6 same as it is. You can change division into sign. You can write reciprocal of these two. 5 by 3 is the. Next these two product means no cancellation is the. 5 sevens are 35 divided by 6 threes are 18. Answer is 35 by 18 is the. 35 by 18. Next third example. Example number 3. Divide 3 integer 1 by 7 divided by 7 by otherwise 6 by 21. 6 by 21. 6 by simplification. First part, therefore same as it is first number, but first fraction is mixed fraction is there. You can convert mixed to improper. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22 divided by 7. Divide sign 6 by 21. Next simplification, therefore 22 by 7 into, you can change division into reciprocal of these two. 21 by 6 is there. Next cancellation is there. Cancellation is 7 ones are 7 3s are 21. Next 3 ones are 3 2s are 6. Again 2 ones are 2 11s are. Therefore answer is 11 ones are 11 divided by 1 into 1 means only 1. Answer is 11. The last example also here, example number 4. You can choose any fractions. Division of or divide 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is there. Okay, the first step is same as this. 3 by 5 divide 3 by 7. Therefore 3 by 5 into, you can change division into sign. You can write reciprocal of 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 means 7 by 3 is there. Next cancellation is there. 3 ones are cancelled. Therefore answer is 7 by 5 is there. Answer is 7 by 5. You can write a mixed fraction also. Therefore 5 ones are 5. Remaining 2 is there. 5 integer 2 by 5 is 1 integer 2 by 5 is there. This is your answer. Okay, dear students, practice more example in your homework. I shall continue next class. Got it? These are division of fractions are here. Okay, I shall continue next class.